For 2025, the Ford Fiesta is expected to bring a number of new advantages that will attract the attention of consumers. One of the main changes that may be presented is electrification. With the global trend increasingly moving towards environmentally friendly vehicles, the Ford Fiesta could offer a hybrid variant or even a full electric model. This will provide a more efficient option and reduce environmental impact, while meeting the demands of consumers who are increasingly concerned about sustainability issues. Design updates are also expected to be part of the 2025 Ford Fiesta. Ford usually updates its designs regularly to keep its models fresh and relevant in the market. The 2025 Fiesta is likely to feature a more modern and dynamic exterior design, with sharp lines and a sportier appearance. The interior may also be updated, with the addition of the latest features that improve comfort and aesthetics. More sophisticated infotainment technology is also expected to be present in the 2025 Ford Fiesta. With rapid technological advancements, the 2025 Fiesta is likely to be equipped with a larger touchscreen and the latest infotainment system that offers better smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These advanced connectivity features will make it easier for drivers to access various applications and services, making the journey more comfortable and enjoyable. Safety features are another area where the 2025 Fiesta is expected to see significant improvements. The latest driver assistance systems, such as driver monitoring, pedestrian detection and other active safety features, will be part of the Ford Fiesta offering. These technologies are designed to improve the safety of drivers and passengers, and help reduce the risk of accidents on the road. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Ford Fiesta is likely to be adjusted according to the new features and technology offered. Although there is no official price yet, it is expected that the model will be priced competitively in the hatchback class, with a starting price of around $20,000 to $25,000, depending on the variant and feature selected. This price will ensure that the Fiesta remains affordable for consumers while offering significant added value through the latest innovations.